Hi everyone, it's Gail, your teacher for English 90. I am so excited to get this quarter going. I wanted to give you a little in-person, so to speak, virtual greeting and welcome you to class. When you're in our Canvas, once you get to Canvas, I just wanted to point out that this item on your dashboard with the colorful leaves and the sky in the background, that is how you get into our class. So if you just click into that, and I'll show you a couple of things here. Let me go to the student view so you'll see, this is what your screen will look like when you see it. All you need to do to get started is click here to start. Hello and welcome to English 90. Once you click into that screen, there will be a fairly long page of text to read that gives you a lot of information. Let me show you real quickly here. And you'll see that there's another little video here that you can watch where I'll demonstrate a few things in our course website. But click into this page to get started and you'll be on your way. So I wish you all the best. I see that about half of you have already logged into our class, which is great. But if you're having any trouble getting logged in, or you're not sure how to get into Canvas, or once you get to our course website, if you're confused about what to do, just send me an email, grobinson@clark.edu, and I will help you out. All right, I look forward to working with all of you. And again, welcome.